Wow, take a look at this. This is the 2015 to 19 Nissan Murano Hamilton conversion kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. It's a beautiful 10.25-inch screen that's replaced the factory screen entirely. It's going to preserve all of your original functionality. I can easily adjust the volume by doing two fingers up and down on the left side here. This system also integrates with all of your steering wheel controls. It's going to preserve all of your original functionality. You can see the factory backup camera and 360 camera here, as well as all of your factory safety features. I'm going to talk to you quickly about CarPlay, and then we're going to talk about the powerful Hamilton underlying operating system here. Stay tuned to the end for an overview of all the features. This device is fully compatible with your premium Bose audio, and it's going to sound great. Look at how much better navigation looks on this device compared to the factory system. And of course, Siri will read your directions. Hey Siri, get directions to New World Cafe.
Getting directions to New World Cafe. Starting route to New World Cafe.
This device uses your factory microphone. We've spent a lot of time diligently preparing this system to use your factory microphone. So whether you're talking to Siri or talking on the phone, it's going to have no trouble hearing you, and you're going to sound great. Of course, whether you use Apple Music, Spotify, SoundCloud, YouTube Music, or any other music app, you'll have easy access to all of your songs and beautiful cover art. This is your split screen view where you'll see navigation, next to notifications, and now playing songs. And here is the Apple widgets view. We believe Apple is going to add more widgets here in the future. CarPlay is powerful and beautiful, and it's going to make your car feel brand new. But even better than CarPlay is the Hamilton underlying operating system. You can install a 4G SIM card into this device or connect to your phone's hotspot to have access to all of these powerful features that are not available in CarPlay or on even some of the newest vehicles on the market. Any app with a Google Play Store component can be loaded directly onto this device. The Hamilton conversion kit has 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB of onboard storage, and a high-end Qualcomm processor. This means it's snappy and responsive, and it can handle anything you throw at it. Whether you want to use streaming apps or any apps available on the Google Play Store, you're able to do that here with the Hamilton conversion kit. We back it with a 3-year warranty called the Hamilton Guarantee because we use the highest quality components and we know it's going to stand the test of time. If you have questions about this warranty, check out our website, hamiltonmotorcompany.com, or you can give us a call at 919-858-2890. We have a concierge-style tech support team here to answer any questions you might have before, during, or after your purchase. We also have a full installation video that'll show you all the details of putting this unit in your car. I'm Dave from Hamilton Motor Company. We support almost every Nissan, Infiniti, Lexus, Toyota, and Subaru, and I'll see you in the next video.